I just feel like this box sounds really empty and like, I don't know, you guys. I have a really funny feeling there is no packing material in this box this month. So I'm hoping all of my products are okay. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today, I have my Boxycharm box in for June 2024. And honestly, I feel like Boxycharm lately has been doing a very good job at giving us brands that we want to have in this subscription box. So I've been very pleased with my box lately. I love the Icon subscription, very happy with that. But I got this box in and I picked it up from outside. It was like on its side like this. And when it went down, I was like, oh, like now I'm a little nervous because it sounds like there's like nothing in here protecting this. So if you guys are interested in purchasing the Boxycharm by Ipsy subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. This is my June 2024 box, and inside there will be 5 full-size beauty items, 3 of which I was able to choose when I customized this box. Now you're also going to notice that I have another item in there, which is my beauty boost, where I will pay an additional $15 a month and receive 1 extra full-size product. So inside of my box, oh my gosh, they totally shipped it with no packing material. And this box is huge for what's in here. Oh my gosh. Well, thankfully, I think everything is okay. Like, it looks like they're all in boxes, so I think we're good. But, wow, this is one thing that I would give feedback on to Ipsy is this seems like, 1, a waste of a box. But 2, just to have something in here to help protect all of these items would have been really nice. Oh, and there's spoilers on the back. So for July, if you guys are interested in signing up for the July subscription, we have Ole Henriksen is going to be in the box. Fenty Beauty. Oh, it's the perfume from Fenty. I've not even smelled that before, so I don't know what it is. There's also going to be Dr. Brandt Skincare, Ciate London, Cinta London. All right, so these look like good spoilers. So this is what it's showing back here for July as first spoilers. Again, if you guys are interested in signing up, I will post the link down below. What's nice is you get to customize your box with 3 of the 5 items. Of course, I can never remember what I customized my box with. So as I go through this, I'll try and remember which ones I chose, but I also just don't ever remember. So we'll see. First item that I have in here is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer, but there's sunscreen inside of this. So it will be a duo cream with hydration, but also sunblock. This will be a full-size product at 50 ml or 1.7 ounces. And it says that it's dermatologist tested and there's no fragrances in this. So let me go ahead and pull this out and that way you guys can see what it looks like here. I love First Aid Beauty. I use several of their products. I use their moisturizer, their toner, their cleanser. I mean, I really do love their skincare products. So this one I do feel like I'm going to enjoy because, I mean, it's just got SPF in it. That's the only thing different. So in theory, this should be a good product. So apparently Ipsy chose that product for me based off of my style quiz. I had to look it up, you guys. I couldn't remember. But I think that's a really good item for them to pick for me. So the other product that Ipsy chose for my box is the Laura Geller Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara, and this is what it looks like here. Now, I've never tried this before. Laura Geller, I like their highlighters, but that's about it from her line that I really enjoy. The baked highlighters, when they first came out a few years ago, it was a while ago that they came out, and I loved those. I use them all the time, you guys. They were so beautiful. But then everything else that I've tried from Laura Geller, I'm just like, it's average. Like, I feel like there are other products that are better out there. So I've not tried this mascara, but I'll give it a shot. We'll see how it performs. It is a black mascara, and this is what the wand will look like here. Lots of fibers, love it. This one, I definitely see volume playing into this, just because of the way the wand is formulated. Now, I'm not sure if this is a tubing formula or not. Let me see here real quick. It says it will lift your lashes, giving you intense definition and volume. You will be ready for a close-up, but it does not look like it's going to be a tubing formula or anything like that. I do have mascaras set to high on my style quiz, so I understand why Ipsy gave me this. Next up in my box is the product that I chose. This is by Feel, and it's called the Refinishing Night Serum. Now, is this full size? It's only an ounce, which is why I'm questioning it. I mean, it looks small. I'm hoping this is a full-size product, but also, I mean, you guys, Ipsy has been known to send out the wrong sizes before, so I don't know. But it says it's a refinishing night serum with lactic acid in it, so it will even out your texture and blemishes and reduce wrinkles. I'm gonna have to look this one up, you guys. It's cruelty-free, so I like that. According to the Ipsy app, this is full size. I'm just really surprised. It just doesn't seem like a full-size product. Oh no! I'm missing an item! Okay, so see, this is why I pull up my Ipsy app, because when I just logged into my account, I'm looking through the items that I chose for my Boxycharm. So you can see right here, this is my June Boxycharm. And right down here is a palette that now I remember I did choose this palette for my box by Ace Beauty. And it even says you picked this and it's not in my box. I'm telling you guys, look at this. Like, I know it's not in my box. It's not like it's hiding anywhere. It's just not in my box. But this is so weird because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so see, I have 6 products in here. I just didn't get the palette. I got something else. This, I got the Pat McGrath Labs mascara. So this item shouldn't be in my box. Oh, I think I would have rathered the palette though over the mascara. I mean, it is Pat McGrath, like it is a good brand, but I was kind of looking forward to the palette because it was a beautiful color story. I don't know how I feel about that. So this is my fake product. I don't know. We're gonna just say this is the imposter of the box. It is the Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. It is full size. I mean, it is a really great brand. I may have come out ahead with this. I'm not quite sure, but I definitely do not have a palette in here. So we're going to look at this and see. I'm wondering if this was just a slip up and they just grabbed the wrong product, or maybe they ran out of the palettes and thought this would be a good alternative. But I feel like they should have emailed us if that was the case. I would have liked to have been notified. So this is what the Pat McGrath wand will look like. It reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That wand is just like this. Lots of fibers and it has a great hourglass shape. It's a wonderful mascara. So I do like this, but yeah, I'm kind of bummed about not getting the palette. So if you guys chose the palette for your box, did this happen to you that you got something different instead of it? Or maybe they did send out a blast and I didn't see the email? But comment down below and let me know. Before I get too upset with Ipsy, I want to make sure that it's not my fault. Like, I want to make sure I didn't miss an email or a memo or something. So comment down below, let me know if any of that happened to you guys. But see, another reason why you should always check the app and make sure you get what you ordered. So next item that I have in my box is from Pink Lips. This is 2 lip glosses that they had available. So in this category, I didn't really love anything else in the category. And I was like, well, you get 2 products for the price of 1, so that's kind of nice. So this is what the lip glosses will look like here. I do think they're pretty and I like that they're nice and flirty. They're good neutral colors to go with everything. So this first one looks like it's just going to be a light pink gloss. Wow, it's really lightweight. I mean, you don't even feel it. You don't even really see it. You can barely tell that I even put a gloss on. Let me try that again. Let's see here. This is the same spot, but it's not sticky. But it is so lightweight, and from a distance, you almost can't even tell there's a shine there. So those are that one is a little underperforming. Now I'm gonna check out this other one. This one is called Star, and it has more of a bronzing glow to it. Let's go right above that. And again, very lightweight, not sticky at all. I do feel like for one coat up here compared to 2 coats here, they have about the same shine. So this one almost performs better than the first. I can definitely see it there. But again, you know, it's just not a lot of shine. I'm going to do a second coat just to give it a fair shot. But I've definitely seen better when it comes to shine. There's a lot better lip glosses out there that will give you that shine if you're really looking for it. I could see though some people saying, well, I don't need as much shine. I like something really lightweight anyways. So this may work perfectly for them. But like I said, if you want a really glossy lip, I don't think this is even competing for that. So the last item inside of my box today is the Beauty Boost product. Now I will pay an additional $15 a month to receive one additional product in my box. This is something that is optional. You do not have to do. I like it because it tends to be better products. I've seen this year that there have been a few times where it's not been the best products, but overall I would say 90% of the time I'm very happy with the selection that they have. You can also choose what item you want for the Beauty Boost. Initially when it launched, you didn't have a choice. They would just tell you this is what you're getting, but now you are able to pick what you want out of that category. So I went with the Glow Recipe Serum. This is the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. I love this brand. It was a no-brainer. When I saw it, I was like, yep, this is me. I'm totally gonna get Glow Recipe. So really great brand. I feel like their products do a great job of working. I like how they feel on my skin. They also have adorable packaging. I mean, look at this. Beautiful pomegranate color here. So this serum is designed to firm and lift your skin. It's also going to give you hydration and target fine lines and wrinkles. So it will be a firming serum. This is my favorite item in the box this month, you guys. Honestly, I think it's a really great product. And like I said, to get this for $15, like I can't get anything from Glow Recipe for that. So that is everything inside of my Boxycharm for June. Gotta say, having 2 mascaras is a little like, eh. And I know there's an issue somewhere in there. I would have loved to have had the palette because I think the palette would have added so much to this box. It would have been a wow factor. I love the First Aid Beauty product that we have in here. I'll definitely use it. I'm not in love with the lip glosses. And like I said, 2 mascaras is a lot. And then this Feel Serum. I gotta double check that this is full size. So I don't know why, but I feel like this whole box, I'm just kind of like, it feels like a mess almost. Like there's a couple things I love, but there's also a couple things I don't like about it. It's not my favorite month. And honestly, after having such great months, like the last few have been so good, this one is kind of a letdown. But I am looking forward to July still because I do think those spoilers look tempting. So if you guys are interested, like I said, and you'd like to try Boxycharm out where you get 5 full-size beauty products, I have a link down below. Customization opens up at the beginning of the month. So July 1st through the 3rd is when you'll be able to customize your boxes. And then I also saw that in July is when their mega drop shop will open and you can usually stock up on some really good deals. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!